This is Andrew with Leaky Company with another tech tip, talking about drips. So a drip a second over the span of a year can waste 3,000 gallons of water. That's a lot of water for just such a small amount here. So that's why it's really important to make sure that valve is fully off as you're taking a shower. But what happens if it's all the way off and we still have a drip? Well, we've got an issue going on with a cartridge that's behind the valve here. Now that drip could come from your tub spout, that could come from your shower head, but ultimately the concern we've got is behind the handle. That's where the doorway is that allows the water to come through. Well, when that doorway starts going bad, it starts allowing water through when it shouldn't. So with that, if you want us to come out, take a look at it and get options to get it replaced, we're more than happy to do that. But again, making sure that's fully shut off and checking the home to make sure there's no drips, that's very important, especially over time. Well, with that, that's everything. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great rest of the day. Thank you for choosing Leaky Company.